Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to create Steam account on iPhone. To start, open your internet browser and then search for Steam. Once here, click on steam.storepower.com. On the website, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper left. Then tap on Log In. In here, tap on Join Steam, and then scroll down and then click on Join Steam. Now let's create our account. First, input your email address. And then, on confirm your address, all you need to do is to input your email address once again. Then don't forget your country of residence as well. Once done, verify by clicking on I'm not a robot. Again, verification will vary from device to device. So in this case, I'm asked to look for traffic lights. This could be different on your case. Once done, click on Next. Sometimes it's going to be a lengthy process, but just go with it. Once done, click on Submit, and then all you have to do this time is to verify your email. All you have to do is to open your Gmail application and then look for the email sent via Steam. Locate this in the email that you input over at creating your Steam account. Tap on the email and then tap on the button that says Verify my email address. And then if it says Email Verified, you can now use this to log into Steam. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.